Good morning, everyone. This is Rajkumar Shivari, PGT Mathematics at MLZS Jhansi. Students, today we have to start a new topic, that is indefinite integration. Indefinite integration. So here are the basic formulas which will be used in this lesson. First of all, integration of x to the power n dx will be x to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. Plus c in each and every आंसर्स में प्लस सी आएगा. नाउ इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ ई की पावर एक्स इज ई की पावर एक्स प्लस सी एंड इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ ए टू द पावर एक्स डी एक्स विल बी ए टू द पावर एक्स अपॉन लॉग ए टू द बेस ई एंड प्लस सी. नाउ इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ साइन एक्स इज माइनस कॉस एक्स प्लस सी. इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ कॉस एक्स इज साइन एक्स प्लस सी एंड इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ सेक स्क्वायर एक्स इज टेन एक्स प्लस सी. Similarly, integration of cosec square dx will be minus cot x plus c and integration of 1 upon x is log x plus c. Integration of sec x 10x is sec x only and integration of cosec x will be minus cosec x. Integration of cosec x cot x will be minus cosec x. Integration of 10x is minus log cos x or plus log sec x. Okay, and the last integration of cot x is log sin x. Now there are some questions based on these formulas. First of all, integration of x to the power minus 3 by 2. So here x to the power n rule will be applicable. So minus 3 by 2 में plus 1 कर दीजिए. So x to the power minus 3 by 2 plus 1 upon minus 3 by 2 plus 1. After simplification we will get minus 3 upon x की power 1 by 3 plus c. This is the answer. Now integration of 2x plus 3 whole to the power cube. So again x to the power n rule is applicable here. So integration is 2x plus 3 power 1 increase हो जाएगी 4 by 4 and the coefficient of x will comes in the denominator. Now integration of sine 4 minus 3x. So as we know that the integration of sine x is minus cos x. So here integration of this is minus cos 4 minus 3x and the coefficient of x, that is minus 3, will come in the denominator. Now integration of sine square x. Sine square x cannot be integrate directly. This can be converted into another form. So sine square x can be written as 1 minus cos 2x upon 2 using half angle formula and 1 by 2 common निकाल लेंगे. Now integration of 1 is x and integration of cos 2x is sin 2x and the coefficient of x will come in the denominator. Okay, now next, again similarly integration of cos square x dx. So similarly cos square cannot be integrated directly. This can be converted into another form, that is 1 plus cos 2x upon 2 and take 1 by 2 common and integration of 1 is x and integration of cos 2x is sin 2x upon 2. Now integration of integration of tan square x. So tan square x again cannot be integrated directly. This can be converted into sec square x minus 1 and the integration of sec square x is 10x and integration of 1 is x. So this is the answer. Similarly cot square x cannot be integrated directly. This can be converted into cosec square x minus 1. Now the integration of cosec square x is minus cot x and minus x. Now integration of log 2x plus 3 dx. So integration of 1 upon 2x plus 3. So this will be log 2x plus 3 and the coefficient of x will come in the denominator. Okay students, so I hope that this video will help you to do the exercise of integration. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.